Hey there, guys. I never really got the chance to tell you the last time I drew this fighter was after I was at Dad's office. Unfortunately for that, my camera had a sort of a malfunction. So now I am teaching you how to draw him from right here. Tonight we're drawing the reptile from Space Colony Ark. I feel like his code name is BioLizard.
Kai, is anyone speaking to you or are you talking to the thing?
Just talking to the...
Oh.
Alright, here's the hose.
What happened to my TV here?
Kai, did you...
Oh, I am fit. Good job. I just
You gotta
kept
be careful because it's too much pressure on the heart when you
sweet
eat too much.
potatoes. That was very good.
You have like 2 meals in there, Gus. 2,
Wow.
3 meals.
I got... The stuffing was good. Everything turned out good. Really put a lot of work into it. 22.19. 41 pence.
Yeah.
Well, at least they call me. Mikey.
There we are.
I really...
One more thing about this dragon
Really
is that it
pissed
once
off.
merged with Space Colony Ark itself.
It's so fucked up.
Yep. I know, Gus. I know.
Terrible.
Here's the hose.
It's like people, it's like the switch gets turned and they forget their entire childhood. But
And there he is. That's how you draw the Space Colony Ark dragon.